Today I'm showing you how to get that thick, beautiful crema on your espresso martini. Tip number 1.
Start with strong, good quality coffee. This is the foundation of your espresso martini, and it makes a huge difference in your crema. Freshly brewed espresso is ideal. It gives you bold flavor and that rich crema we're looking for. You can also use cold brew concentrate. It's strong, smooth, and works beautifully in espresso martinis. Cold drip is another great option. It's slowly extracted, full-bodied, and still gives you depth and texture.
Tip number 2. Use large ice. Start with 1 clear 1-inch cube. Add 1 ounce of vodka. Next, 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. And 1 ounce of strong espresso. Large ice keeps the drink cold without watering it down, and that's what helps build thicker, longer-lasting crema. Tip number 3. Shake for 10 to 12 seconds and move the ice from end to end. That agitation is what creates those fine, tight bubbles. Look at that, Verway. Thick, creamy, and long-lasting. Strong coffee, large ice, and a proper shake. That's perfect crema. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it simple, silly.
Visit imaginethatdiy.com, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you'd like to support the channel, use the link below to grab us a coffee. It's always optional, and it just helps us create more new content. Keep it simple, silly.